This one video made me $1,896.52 on LTK, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can do the same or earn even more. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. If you are returning, welcome back. Now, I am extremely surprised by looking at my analytics and going back through my content on LTK and seeing that this one video has literally made me over $1,896.52 so far. That's like my mortgage payment. That video actually paid my mortgage, even though I haven't got paid out just yet, because with LTK, you don't get paid out right away. You have to wait a few days, more than a few days. You got to wait maybe like 150 days. So I may not see this money till roughly probably the beginning of the year, but I still wanted to share how I actually did it and how I actually missed out on some money as well. So let's get into it. So the very first thing that I want to show you is basically the video that actually made me this amount of money. So this is the video right here. This is just a 13-second video of me sharing some pants that I actually got from Walmart, y'all. Y'all know I love me some Walmart. I love Walmart pants, especially the pants with the elastic band on the back. And I just have to scream it from the mountaintops and let everybody know that y'all are sleeping on these pants. Check Walmart out. They got these affordable jeans under $20 and they got the elastic band on the back. So if you are a girl with some thighs and some booty, these pants are perfect for you, because as a girl with some thighs and a booty, you know, we suffer with pants, you know, with the waist. It has that gapping in the back. And I hate that as a girl with some thighs and a booty. So I had to just tell everybody about it. Now, how I missed out on money is that I did not share it on all of my platforms. I only shared this video on my TikTok account and on my Facebook account, and then also on my Pinterest account. And I missed the opportunity to post it on my Instagram, where I actually have the most amount of followers on my Instagram, and I missed the mark when it came to that. So the very first lesson from this video is basically, if you're going to post short form content, post it on all of your platforms, because this was a missed opportunity for me because I did not post it on Instagram. Not all of your followers are following you on all of your platforms. I have different followers on my Instagram account. I have different followers on my TikTok, different followers on my Facebook account, different followers on my Pinterest, which your followers don't really matter on Pinterest, different followers on YouTube, so forth and so on. And I really don't even post fashion content on YouTube, but that was a missed mark opportunity as well. I could have posted it on my YouTube channel. It's just me personally, I'm trying to get away from posting fashion stuff on my YouTube channel and make my YouTube channel strictly about like the behind the scenes of being a content creator, how I'm actually making money from posting the content on my other platforms and all that type of stuff, so I can just share, you know, what I'm actually doing behind the scenes here over here on YouTube. But I made $1,896.52 by posting or by sharing some pants that I actually got from Walmart, actually trying them on and showing the people how they fit on me, and just telling them to like, hey, go get the pants or whatever. I didn't even speak in the video. I didn't speak in the video on TikTok, but I did speak in the video on Facebook. Now, here is where I always tell my friend Trey about this. Like, we talk about content all the time. If you're not following Trey Michelle, I'm going to link her channel down below. But she is like my best friend when it comes to this content stuff, and I can just bounce ideas off of her. But what I've been telling her or sharing with her lately is basically, you got to know how these platforms work. Now, with TikTok, you can add music, and people kind of know to go to the link in your bio to get the things that you are actually promoting in the video. On Facebook, they don't go to the link in the bio. You got to actually say something in the video. Plus, on Facebook, I actually get paid to even just post this video. I don't know necessarily how much money I made on Facebook just from posting the video. All I know is what I actually got paid out, or what I'm getting or gonna get paid out through my LTK. Now, that's another tip right there. If you're posting on these platforms where you are actually monetized, that's another way that you can make some additional streams of income. I'm not posting on these platforms for me to make money from the platform itself. I am posting on these platforms to market the outfits or market whatever it is that I'm showing online for people to click my link and go over to wherever I want them to go to actually buy the thing that I'm actually sharing. So the bonus is just getting paid from the platform itself by just posting the content, but the business part of it is actually getting the people to go over to the link that I'm actually providing them to go over and buy the item that I'm actually sharing. And it just blows my mind that you can get your mortgage paid from one video. All it takes is a one video. We are all one video away. I did not know that this video was going to do so good. I did not know that this video was going to make me over $1,800. There are other videos that I have made over $1,000 as well on my LTK, and it's just me standing in the mirror sharing what it is that I have on. It's me going into Walmart trying on some clothes and just telling people my honest opinion. Like, we gotta get out of our own way thinking everything gotta be with the glitz and the glam and the high quality this and high quality that. Some people just want the real. Some people just want to see you go in the fitting room and try something on and just give your honest opinion. I do that all the time. A lot of times when I try on stuff, it don't even look right on me. Sometimes it's too tight and I'll be like, okay, well, these pants are too tight. What did I think giving myself a size small, thinking I can fit in the size small when I know that I should have gotten a medium? I say that in my content, and I also tell them, you know what, you need to size up in these because these run very small. If I don't like something, I share that I do not like these pants. These pants are extremely long. They are extremely tight. They low quality. I share all of the things. People just want your honest opinion because they are spending their hard-earned dollar with you. And when you start giving your honest opinion on things, people will actually trust you and they will actually buy from you. They do not mind clicking on your links and buying something from you if you are providing authentic content and honest opinions about the item that you are actually sharing. That's why I love affiliate marketing so much, because you're in control of what you say on your content. You're in control of the script. You're in control of the hook and all this type of thing. And I don't try to do all of that. I just try to just show up as myself, sharing things that I like and I love, that I would buy with my hard-earned money myself. A lot of times, the things that I share when I'm trying things on, I bring those things home and I actually wear them in real life. Another tip is that you don't have to just share that item one time. Share that item over and over and over and over. Now, am I saying post the same video over and over? No, but show people different ways how to style it. I always tell people, especially with those Walmart cargo pants, because I heavily believe in those. I got them in so many different styles. I got the leopard print. I got the medium wash. I got the light wash. I got the camo pants. And today when I actually went to the thrift store, I actually found a pair in the black. So that's how much I love these pants, and I genuinely want to just share them with the world and let other people know, like, hey, these pants are under $20. I found them at Walmart. They got the elastic band in the back, and I just share it on my social media. Now, I did miss the mark by not posting it on my Instagram account and not actually sharing it on my YouTube channel. But you don't have to be like me. You do not have to be like me at all. If you are on all of these platforms, you can be sharing your videos on all of these different platforms, because you don't know where it's gonna go. You don't know what platform is gonna push your video out and actually make you some money. You got to be able to have people going somewhere where you want them to buy something and actually click your link or whatever it is that you want to do. Maybe you don't want to get money from just people clicking your link. Maybe you just want to get money from just the content itself. You're like, okay, well, I'm not an affiliate marketer. I don't care about really making money from my outfits or whatever like that, but I want to get paid from YouTube. I want to get paid from Facebook and stuff like that. Maybe you need to start posting your content on these platforms and get into the point where you can join the YouTube Partner Program, or join the Content Monetization Program, or maybe even join the Creator Program over on TikTok, because those are the platforms that you actually can get paid from, just people just viewing your content and getting paid off the view. So I'm not knocking anyone that want to get paid off just posting their content and getting paid from the views, but I also want to also share an additional way that you can be making money from the, from just you posting the content as well. And that's through affiliate marketing and having people actually go over to your affiliate link, click on that link, buy those items that you are actually sharing, and that way you can make an additional small commission. Because look, $1,896.52 is not anything to be, sleeping on. That's my mortgage payment. I'm sure they could pay your rent. I'm sure they could pay your car note. I'm sure they can put groceries in the house for you. I'm sure they can pay off some debt. They can even start your starter emergency fund. But I'm not gatekeeping over here. This is something that I do on a regular, everyday basis. If you need help with being a content creator, maybe you're thinking about being a content creator, I have so many videos on how to sign up for LTK. And if you need an referral, because I can refer you, you would get $25 if you are accepted, and I would get $25 as well. Let me know. Like, hit me up on YouTube, hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want to hit me up. I will need your first and last name and your email address so I can send that information over to LTK. And make sure you're already posting online. Like, don't try to be applying for LTK if you don't have any videos up yet. Like, they want to see that you are a content creator. They want to see that you are promoting something. They want to see that you're already doing the thing that you actually want to get paid for. So if you have not already done that and you new to it or whatever like that, start just going through your closet and putting outfits together. Or maybe every single day before you go to work, you're sharing an outfit of the day. Maybe you're not linking it just yet, but just get your audience warmed up to where, okay, y'all, every single day for the next 30 days, maybe that could be your goal for November. Every single day in the month of November, you're going to share an outfit of the day. Maybe I would even do the challenge with you. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do the challenge with you, and we can actually just talk about it, post about it, and I can just give you some different tips and tricks on how, what's working for me or how I'm doing it and those type of things, because I wouldn't mind doing that on my short form platforms. I won't post it over here on YouTube, but I will post it on my short form platform. And maybe by the end of the 30 days, we can see how much money we actually made, or if you were able to get accepted into the LTK creator, into the LTK creator program and stuff like that. Like, I just want to help people. I keep screaming these numbers. Y'all know I love talking about money over here, and I'm not doing this to boast or brag or any type of that, because I'm not at that point yet where I'm just making millions of dollars, but I'm just sharing what I'm doing as a everyday working type of person. I work a full-time job. I do this content creation stuff very, very, very part-time. Most of the time I'm doing it on one day. I'm batching everything and I'm just posting it throughout the week. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. I'm not doing nothing that you cannot do. As you can see from this video, all I did was just try on pants at the bottom of my stairs, kind of like chopped it up, used the CapCut template because I work a full-time job. I'm not going to lie about that. I use the CapCut template because that helps me push out the content just like that. I use the same template every single time, majority of the time, unless I have a longer video that I want to do or something like that. But majority of the time is going to be the less than 15-second template that I actually got. I'm going to put my content in there because I can get it out just like this, and I can just push it out there for people to actually click on my link and go over to my LTK and actually buy the things that I'm actually promoting. But I'm never promoting something that I do not like. I'm never promoting something that I know that I wouldn't buy with my own money. Like, why would I put something out there that I wouldn't necessarily buy? You get what I'm saying? So people love when you're sharing stuff, because there are so many creators that do gatekeep, and we don't gatekeep over here. But if you are interested in, becoming a content creator, or if you are interested in just up for the challenge, for the month of November, maybe we can do a 30 days of outfit ideas or 30 days of just sharing what we are wearing, so we can either get monetized if we're not already monetized, or so we can be making money if you are already monetized. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. Just comment I'm in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.